This dish is a one-pot wonder. The star ingredient are black-eyed beans. It also includes a number of aromatic spices. It's really easy and comforting, and it's based off a recipe that my grandmother used to make for us. And I'd look forward to it every time we'd go back to Fiji to visit during our school vacations. And without further ado, let's get into it. Black-eyed beans are really underrated in my opinion. They take on the flavour of spices really well and have an earthier flavour as compared with other white beans. For the recipe, you're going to start off with dried black-eyed beans. Soak them overnight, and what you'll find is that they cook more evenly and quicker, and for some people they say it's easier to digest for them. Once your beans are soaked, make sure you rinse them under water. This removes any grit and impurities that may be present from the harvesting and packing process. Drain your beans and add them to your pressure cooker. Next, we have the all-important spices. Ground cumin, ground turmeric, ground coriander, chili flakes, and salt to taste. You'll also need ginger, garlic, curry leaves, and a red onion. We really enjoy making content for you, and to help our channel along, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. You either want to grate your ginger and garlic or make a paste in your food processor. This helps to more evenly distribute the flavours of the garlic and ginger throughout the dish. Now with curry leaves, my preference is always to have fresh curry leaves. Some of you may be aware that Melbourne has been under extended lockdown during the pandemic, so it has been a little bit trickier to get access to fresh ingredients. Roughly dice your onion. Add in all of your ingredients. As well as salt to taste. Mix well. Then add your water. Pop on your lid. Here I'm using the beans/chili setting with an extra 10 minutes on the timer, just to make sure that the beans are a little bit more soft and creamy. Measurements are really important in order to achieve that perfect texture, and you'll find all the details on our website. The link is provided in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. For the full recipe and many other recipes, check out our website.